Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to our kitchen. We're going to do some grilling this evening for supper. And Tom's going to have a steak in which he has... Ooh, let me change my battery. Okay, there we go. Full power. Okay, what I was saying is Tom has his steak marinating in our coffee rub that we like to use. I'm having a ham steak actually, one of the Smithfield, and I'll trim the edges off because I won't eat the edges either. But I'm fixing to put this in marinade so that we can grill it a little bit later. It might have to grill it sooner than later because now it looks like it might start raining. Ooh. And I'm also going to do something I haven't tried yet. I'm going to do some spiral. I've got the equipment to do it with, a little kitchen tool gadget that my sister gave me. But I'm going to spiral some sweet potatoes and put those in the oven, put a little flavoring on them, and we'll bake those and see how those turn out. They look and sound delicious, I can tell you that. But for now, let's get started on this ham steak. It's real simple, and for some reason I don't have a lot of lighting. I don't understand it. I really don't. But I will slice. This is so thick. Wow. This is probably going to be delicious, I'm sure. Okay, there we go. Let me throw my paper away. Now, see, I got me a new rug for in here in this kitchen, and it's got the little pad in the center, and it, oh, it's so comfy whenever you're standing on it. Got it at Walmart, of course, but that is just, look at that. Right here, when you stand on that, that has that added pad to it. Feels good on my toes. Okay, back to my ham steak. I don't have any pineapple juice. Typically, I would do the pineapple juice. So what I'm going to do is I have some pineapple chunks, and I'm going to pour the juice off of this, and then I can just stick the chunks in the freezer and use it with one of my smoothies. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm only going to put about, ooh, here we go, about a 1/4 cup. You know, that's probably not even 1/4 cup. We'll say it's 3 tablespoons. How about that? But I'm going to give it a few little pokes. Why? Because it sounds like the thing to do. I don't know if it makes a difference or not. I like to think it will. And then I'm going to flip it over. Give it a, ooh, come out of there. A few more pokes. Just like that. Now, nutmeg. Love, love, love nutmeg. In a lot of things. I put nutmeg in a lot of things. A lot of people think it's just for autumn and winter foods. Not me. No. I had a smoothie this morning for breakfast, and what did I do? I put me some nutmeg in it. What do you reckon? This is brown stevia. We're just going to do that. Just like that. And then I'm going to let this just sit here and marinate for, I'm going to let it sit right there for about an hour. But I think I am going to, I think I'm going to try to get just a little bit of that juice up on the top there to melt that sugar down. Okay, it's not really sugar. It's swerve. It's brown swerve, okay? Ooh, I'll get it right. But this is the, these pineapple chunks are in the 100% just pineapple juice. No sugar added to it. I know it's pineapple. It's delicious. I might even have to put some in some foil and grill them. We'll see. We'll see about all that. But that's that. And we'll be back after a while when we throw this and the steak on the grill. I've got 2 sweet potatoes here. I'm going to peel them. Some people don't peel theirs, but I'm going to peel mine and cut the ends off of it. Let me get y'all up just a little bit there. There we go. In this measurer, I've got some cumin. I put a teaspoon of cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, smoky paprika. I put a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, and I've also got a tablespoon of the brown swerve. So it's going to be a spicy sweet. I've got my oven preheating to 410 degrees. Yeah, how do you like that? I'm right-handed, so I have to. You see, this has got a little switch on it that you just flip it over here on the back side, and it locks it in place. Oh, how about that? Now, I'm gonna push my bowl up to it, and then we're gonna center this sweet potato and push it up against there, and then pull my handle down, and let's see how this works. Woo. Oh, baby, go. Look at there. This is good for making your own zoodles. You know, your zucchini noodles. Perfect for that. Look at that. Perfect. And I'm going to sprinkle some. Well, actually, you know what? I think I'm just going to go ahead and put it all on there. And then I'm just going to dive in with both hands and start giving it a flip. Just like that. Get that coating on there. It smells so good. But see, we're just going to spread this out and try to get some of that crisp on it. Oh, it smells so good. All these spices and seasonings. It smells wonderful. Look, isn't it pretty? So let's get these in this preheated oven, and then we'll head on out to the grill. We'll I'm gonna put it that way first. Yeah, buddy. Sounds good, don't it? Now, get my little ham steaks here. And yeah, like I said, I cut them in half. Had to cut that. It was really big. So, there we go. Ooh, yes. Alright. We'll get you set up over here. You're looking down in between the building there. Here we go. Look at that. There's a picture for you. Yeah. I'm going to close that lid, and I'll be back soon. Okay. These wood bees, carpenter bees, whatever you want to call them. They're getting all cray-cray out here. Oh, look at that, would you? Perfect. Oh my goodness. Yes. Perfect. Oops. I love it. Oh boy. Yeah, look at that. Nice. This is the side that's got all the goodness on it right here. I'm gonna move this one up here and give it just a little bit more grill marks on it. Oh my goodness. Look at this steak. Would y'all look at that? Whew. We might have to cut that one in half for Tom too. We might just have supper 2 nights in a row. Oh, hello. Can you see me? 2 nights. Can you see that Hulk over there? You better stay away from our food, buddy. Okay. Let's see if this is done the way my husband likes it. I believe it is. Of course, you're the one that's going to be eating it, so what do you think there, dear? Ooh, look at that. See, is this the thickest part, or is that the thickest part?
That's the thickest part right there.
This?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hot, hot.
Yeah, we're good.
See, that's how we like ours, y'all. I know. Y'all be saying, oh, you're ruining it. No, we're not. We're liking it. That's what we're doing. Alright, let's turn that flame off. Make sure everything's turned off. Look, we're going to put it on a pretty little plate and everything. Alright. Put that on this platter. And look at that. What? Would you just look? Oh my goodness. Alright. Ooh, come on over here. Tom's going to give that steak a try. I'm going to give this glorious. Look at that glaze on that ham.
Y'all, that rub is amazing. Y'all, she can cook a steak like you wouldn't believe.
I cook it however you like it done. If you want it just, what is it, knock off the horns and wipe its tail, I give you that. I can't sit by you while you're eating it, but I'll give it to you if that's how you want it. Alright, y'all. We're going to get this finished up here and go ahead and eat our dinner. Y'all take care. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye.